Deadlocks here again, escaping from the Alcyon 5050 or Alcyon Fury with the cheapest jackknife on Amazon, upgraded a little.
Modified.
Yes, modified to escape any cuff except for the cuffs that they can't.
So I was gonna say, I don't know if it can do any cuff, but it can do the cuffs we have. Which is far too many cuffs.
It's not.
It is, definitely.
It's not.
That's the second lock off. That's the first lock off.
And I'm going to show you the thing. It's the same one as I use on the TCH cuffs that you've seen in the higher video. But I'm going to show you anyway because I use a weird technique to open these.
Which I'll show you right about now.
We're back with the Alcyon 5050s. Which I haven't got the thing out that I used, which I should have already. So we're very organised here at Deadlocks. I used this.
Says you, I'm organised.
Which I can't get to focus. There we go. It's the modification that I use on the TCH and Hyatt cuffs. It has the flattened spot to make it easier to get all of the lock and pulls at the same time. The reason I'm showing you this again is mainly because I have a bit of a weird technique for when I do these Alcyons. So I find it a lot easier. Usually I'll put in my tool that way and go around the keyway to knock off the double lock. These ones I like to put it in the other way and turn it.
Because you're awkward.
As I go through, and it knocks it out. It's really easy that way. It's even easier when the camera isn't turned on. And lock and pulls is just as you would expect. The flat spot helps you get the two lock and pulls it's in next. These are double pull, and that gets them both nice and easy.
They're a good strong relationship together then.
The lock and pulls.
Yeah.
If you say so.
Because together it's the two balls.
Okay. So that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. Jiggle! It won't open, look. And it won't jiggle.